I'm glad you came.
Hi, Ate Bobby.
Bobby, what brings you here?
Sofia, inimbita ko sila for lunch.
Oh, really? I thought this was going to be a normal family lunch. Hindi ko alam meron palang mga surprise guests.
Anak, aling isang, meet my family. Kasama nga pala yung borders nila, Abdul at saka si Mar.
Ay, hello? Vice Mayor! Kami yung nagligtas kay Kapitana. Kasama mo kami nun eh! Yes!
Oo naman. You guys are familiar. Bobby, nice to see you again. Di ko akalain na magkakaroon pala ako ng kapatid na sarhento.
Excuse me, sir. Na-promote na po siya. Hindi na siya sarhento. Master Sergeant.
Ganun. Congratulations, Bobby.
Thank you. Joaquin, di mo naman sinabing imbitado yung anak mo. Di sana I would have worn something nicer.
Ay, nako, hindi niyo ho kailangan. Kahit ano pa hong isuot ninyo, napakaganda niyo po.
Ate Bobby, tara, let's go. Kain na tayo, Daddy. I'm so hungry.
Sige na, sige na.
Sige,
Sige na.
let's go.
Madam, yun pala yung Bobby.
Yes. Alam mo na yung gagawin mo, Cheka.
Bobby? Anong ginagawa ni Bobby dito?